So if you're a JK owner, you're probably tired of praying to 8-pound, 6-ounce baby Jesus every time a semi-truck passes you on a 2-lane road, fearing that your hood is about to fly up at any second. So today we're going to go over how to put these on your JK, JL style hood latches. So today we're here with Jason. Jason has been my sole Jeep mechanic for 10 years. He has done all the major work on the Defiant. He has also done all the major work on the Defiant's predecessor, Jeepasar. May God rest her soul.
Yes. The following tools you're going to need for today's job: you're going to need a pair of pliers you can get out of your house, a razor knife, a 1/4-inch ratchet, a 10mm socket, 13mm socket, a 1/4-inch burr bit you can find in any hardware store, and a drill, corded or cordless.
All right, so we have our little Chi-Com hood latches. Quality product, made in China. I'm not fancy enough for OEM. First thing we've got to do is to get those old latches off of the fenders. Now these little tabs here are one of your issues, so we have to get rid of those. Now with those plastic tabs removed, you can see that it fits flush up against the fender, which is a whole lot better than drilling those holes out. Now just tighten the new latch down and make sure it's straight. Now remove the catch from the hood. So as you can see, we don't have perfect alignment here. So what we're going to do is we are going to hand tighten everything and do a test fitting to see what, if any, modifications we have to do to the hood in order to get OEM style fitment. So we have a little bit wider than stock gap up here at the front, so we're going to make some little modifications to the hood and see if we can't get it to line up a little better. Normally this would give me major pucker factor, but after 10 years of Jason working on my Jeeps, I've come to trust him implicitly. So all we've done here is some slight elongating of the holes. This step is not necessary unless you're anal about your hood alignment like I am. Now we just do a quick touch up to prevent any rust there, and we are good to go. Now make sure you align the tab correctly, otherwise it'll come out crooked like this, and now we have to make some adjustments. And now we're all straight. And now we're 50% done. On to the other side. Screw this particular hood latch. So if you get on internet forums and on Facebook groups, there are those that swear you have to take the grill off in order to do this job. I mean, we'll just swear it has to be done.
Never.
Well, I guess we're doing it wrong, because watch this.
It's just not fitting. Maybe if we go, wow, look at that.
That's why he gets the big bucks.
Get out your handy dandy thingamagrammer. You grab, twist, pull. Grab, twist, pull. Flat.
So this is what your mounting holes on the hood are going to look like before you elongate them, if you opt to go that route. We're going to show you in depth the misalignment of the hood if you don't make this modification. So as I said, I went cheap and got the Chi-Com ones, and there is a slight imperfection in the molding there next to one of the screws, which is causing an issue with putting it in the hood. So we are going to make some quick modifications. Thanks to some creative razor blading, we now have a nice tight fit. So for the elongation, we are using a 1/4-inch burr bit. So people are inevitably going to say that you don't have to elongate the holes in the hood, and they are right, you don't. But as I touched on earlier, I'm kind of anal about my hood alignment, and we're going to show you why it is we elongated those holes. So these are the gaps that you have on the driver's side where we have already got everything lined up. Now we're going to walk around to the passenger side, which we have not set yet. This is why we take the time to elongate the holes on the hood. Well, the passenger side is done now. So now we have got two properly aligned JL style hood lashes on our JK Rubicon. Now the stock ones do actually have a use, so we are going to carefully package them back up. And now we're going to put this wonderful piece of Chrysler engineering where it belongs. After a quick trip down the highway to test out the new hood latches, I'm pleased to report that they are holding steady, unlike the stock ones. At no point did I ever feel that my life was imminently going to end because my hood was going to fly up, unlike when I had the stock ones. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. When you watch our how-to videos, understand that we try to interject a little humor into what we do. We're not trying to make fun of the way anyone does their work or poke fun at anyone in particular. If you can't have a laugh with this, then what has this all been about? Until next time, this has been Defiant Off-Road.